Well, I've got school tomorrow, and yeah, so I've like been revising all my stuff in my book, and I've been doing a lot of revising actually. I've done like 12 pages on this revision with maths and English, because they're the most important. But yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you just a bit what I've been doing. Okay, I'm gonna start with maths, and this one's on algebra, and this one is called linear sequences, and it's basically number patterns which increase or decrease by a common difference are linear sequences. So basically it's like 4, 7, you can don't do any numbers, but I've chose 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 and 19, and you add on a 3 each time to get to that number. So add 4 like to 7, you have to add on 3, because 4, 5, 6, 7, so that's 3, and then it goes 7 to 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it just goes on 3 each time, until it gets to 19. That's basically what that is. I've not really wrote loads down, but it's quite a bit. It's like, yeah, so this one is coordinates. They are pairs of numbers that given unique location on a grid. So example 2 to 3, or you can have the bigger ones, which is -1, 5, yeah. And then number patterns, I'll go on to number patterns, and is a series of numbers that follow a rule. So you got 2, 6, 10, add 4, because you have to add 4 to get to that number. So yeah, you add 4, and then 2, and I've done another one, 2, 4, 8, and the rule is to times 2, because that's how you do it. 2 times 2 is 4, 4, yeah, something like that. Anyway, okay, I'm going to turn the light on because it's a bit dark in here. Just give me a second. That's a bit better, more clear. Okay, just shut this up. Give me a second. Yeah, here we are. So I've done number 1, 2, 4, 8, which is times 2. Or you can count shapes. So you've got 3 shapes, and so it's 3, and then you've got 6 shapes, and there's shade 1 in, and it's 6, and so it's going up in 3s basically. Averages, most common, which is the mean. And the mean is sum of numbers divide amount of numbers. So basically you add all the numbers that you've got, and then divide of what it adds up to. So you could have about like, you could have 1 plus 2 plus 3. So if you add them up, so you do 3 plus 2, which is 5, and then add the 1 is 6, and then so the answer would be 6, and then you have to divide. You have to go 6 divided by how many numbers there is. So there'll be 3 numbers, and then you divide by 6, and then that's the number. That's what you get. So, and then medium, which is middle. There's a range of numbers, 2, 4, 7, 1, 9, 3, 11, and then you you do it in order. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 11, which is the height it goes up in. And then you would tick off each one at the side, and the middle one would be 4. So that's the middle. The mode is basically the most there is in the numbers. So it'll be in a range of different numbers. So 3, 3, 7, 1, 3, 4, 8, and 3. So that's just scribble numbers, and then you put them in order. So it'd be 1, 3, 3, 3, 4, 7, 8, because that goes in order. And then the most is 3, because there's 3 3s and only one of each number, so the answer would be 3. Okay, and the last one is the range highest number. So the range, which is highest number. So basically you've got a range of numbers, which is 23, 27, 40, and 18, and 25. And basically the highest number there, so the highest number is 40, and the lowest number there is 18. So you basically 40, and then you do take away 18, which is 22. So that's range. It's quite hard to explain. Yeah. What others? Okay, I've done improper fractions. Improper fraction has the top number larger or equal to the bottom number. So it could be 5, right line, and then 2, and then it equal to 2, 1 over 2, or something like that. So example, 3 over 5, which is the top number is smaller and the bottom number is larger, because 5 is larger than 3. So yeah. We have 7 parts. Each part is a quarter of a whole. Yeah. Then you've got mixed fractions. It is a whole number and it's a proper fraction combined. So the 2 is a whole number and then it's 1 over 3 numerator, and the bottom one is denominator. They're quite important, you know, words. I've just done my times tables that I've done on this page. So it's basically 6, 7s, 8s, and you've got 9s, 11s and 12s, just to make sure. And I've done angles as well. Right, so we got isosceles has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. And symmetry, no, not symmetry, parallels, parallel lines never meet. That's about parallel. Volume, know the volume from a cuboid, its length times height times width. Area is times rectangle, multiply length by its height. Compound shape is 2 or more ordinary shapes together, and perimeter is add all around the whatever your shape is, and then that's the number. You've got measurements here. So we've got 1 kilometer is 100 millimeters, 1 meter is 100 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is 100 millimeters. And then you got 1 ton is 1,000 kilograms, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, 1 gram is 1,000. No, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, and 1 gram is 1,000 meters. I think that is. I'm not sure. And then 1.5 liter equals 1,500, and then 4.2 equals 420. I don't know where that is from. And then I think it goes on to English now. No. I've missed a page. Okay. So here we've got maths. When you multiply when you multiply by 10, every figure moves one place to the left. Units becomes tens, tens becomes hundreds, and hundreds become thousands. But if it's 100, it's two places to the left. Divide by 10 moves one place to the right. If you divide 100 times, it's two places to the right. So yeah, that's that. It. Angles, there's a cube angle which is less than 90 degrees. Right angle which is dead on 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is between 90 and 100 degrees. And reflex angle is more than 180 degrees. So that's what I've done about math. I'm going to stop there because, and then I'll do another video about English. Bye.